This is the dua to recite whenever you are angry, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will protect you from your anger. Sahih al-Bukhari 3282 narrated Sulaiman bin Sa'd. Whilst I was sitting in the company of the Prophet, two men abused each other, and the face of one of them became red with anger, and his jugular veins swelled. He became furious. On that, the Prophet said, I know a word, of which will cause him to relax if he does say it. If he says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, which means I seek refuge with Allah from shaitan, and all his anger will go away. Now recite it after me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Please share it so it benefits others. May Allah accept all our supplications. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.